On the phone with us right now, our chief formulator, Doug Wainwright, with some exciting news about our new Melon Fresh lotion. Doug, tell us about this new lotion, what's in it, and what's it going to do for our skin?
The melon lotion is really spectacular in the sense that it's one of the, if not the best antioxidant lotion on the market. Melons have an abundance of nutrients, and some of the most important nutrients in fresh melons. And when I say fresh melons, I'm in particular talking about watermelon, cantaloupe, and honeydew. The way we make this lotion, we use fresh organic watermelons, cantaloupe, and honeydew melons. And we have a trade secret extraction process that we call bioextraction, where we take these fresh melons and we extract all the nutrients out of the melons that eventually turns into a liquid that we emulsify into this lotion. And the melons provide high levels of a antioxidant called lycopene. Now, that's mainly from watermelon. And lycopene is an important antioxidant, especially for the skin. As a matter of fact, it's the only antioxidant that is powerful enough to create a sun protection factor. Now, of course, you couldn't get an SPF as high as you could, say, with zinc oxide, but just on its own, lycopene can provide maybe as high as a SPF factor of 3. So when it comes to the skin and counteracting the effect of the damage from the UV rays of the sun, lycopene is an extremely important antioxidant, and there's an abundance of lycopene in this lotion. Now, another important antioxidant in this new melon lotion is an antioxidant called superoxide dismutase. Now, superoxide dismutase is considered to be the most important antioxidant in your body. And the reason is because it's the only antioxidant that can neutralize what's known as a hydroxy free radical, which is the most damaging form of free radical that's formed in the body, and in particular the skin. And because of the UV rays and pollution that the skin is exposed to and many other factors, being able to neutralize that damaging free radical is extremely important. And superoxide dismutase is the only antioxidant that has the capability of doing that. Now, superoxide dismutase is found mainly in cantaloupe and honeydew melons, and it's really important for the as far as the levels of that particular antioxidant as to how the melons are grown. In other words, if the melons are grown on very depleted soil, using lots of chemicals and that sort of thing, you can end up with very low levels of that antioxidant. And we're careful in the selection process of these melons, and that's the reason why we only use organic melons. And we're particular about where they're grown and where they come from, so as to have high levels of that particular antioxidant in these melons. So this melon lotion is absolutely teeming full of that particular antioxidant. And another important feature about superoxide dismutase is that in the aging process, there's what's known as collagen oxidation. Collagen oxidation is one of the primary causes of aged skin, whether it be, wrinkled skin or sagging skin or something along that line. And what happens is the collagen gets oxidized, which means that it's reacted with oxygen. And collagen is what holds everything together. It's what, holds the skin tight and firm, and it's kind of like the scaffolding structure of the skin. And when that gets oxidized, it gets weak and brittle and collapses. And superoxide dismutase is the only antioxidant that will actually bind directly to collagen and help prevent that from happening. So as far as anti-aging of the skin, that particular antioxidant is extremely important to look younger and have firm, tight skin. As a matter of fact, without keeping those levels of that particular antioxidant at sort of up to optimum levels, it's not likely that that would happen. So that's an important feature of that. There's another nutrient in the melon fresh, which is, I think, important as well, and that's a substance called citrulline. The citrulline is mainly extracted from the rind of the watermelon, and that's another thing I'd like to just touch on. When we do the extraction process with these melons, we use everything. We're using the rind, we're using the seeds, flesh. Every part of the melon is utilized in the extraction process. Back to the superoxide dismutase, the greatest concentration of the superoxide dismutase is in the peel and the rind. It's not in the flesh. But back to the citrulline, the amount of citrulline that is in this lotion is high. And citrulline is important in the sense that it's a vasodilator, so it increases blood flow to the skin, which can be important as far as flushing toxins out of the cells and also delivering nutrients from the blood. Also, it has a pushback effect against fat accumulation. Now, I wouldn't necessarily say that using this lotion is going to make you thin, but it does have a pushback effect. So it makes it less likely that you would accumulate, subcutaneous fat, which is the fat right underneath the skin. I think that's an important factor too, because as everyone knows, as we get older, we tend to put on a little extra fat, and using this lotion has a little bit of a pushback effect against that. And another thing too, the honeydew not only has the superoxide dismutase, but it has another substance in it called adenosine. And adenosine is another really important nutrient in the sense that it's used medically to facilitate wound healing. So, like wounds that are having a hard time healing, adenosine will speed that process up. It's a growth promoter. It stimulates the cells to repair and rejuvenate at a faster rate. And so when you combine all three of these melons, like we do into this melon fresh lotion, the synergistic effect between the nutrients in the watermelon, the cantaloupe, and the honeydew melons is just an absolute incredible effect as far as anti-aging and renewing and repairing the skin with completely all natural food source nutrients. It's really an amazing product.
And I guess even though it's called a body cream, it can be used practically anywhere on the body, correct?
Yeah. I mean, I call it a lotion, but it is actually more of a cream, because if you look at the consistency of the product, it's actually a little thicker than a lotion, but a little bit thinner than, say, a face cream. So it's kind of midway into that category. And skin is skin. I mean, the skin on your legs is the same as the skin on your face, other than the capillaries. You have more capillaries in the skin on the face than you do your leg, and, the fat content and a few things like that. But to answer your question, it's absolutely fine to apply some of that on the face as well as the body. You can use it anywhere you have skin. from your feet all the way up to your face. So absolutely, I would highly recommend you use it everywhere.
Even though it's a body cream, Bill, is it absorbed fairly quickly into the skin?
It's a relatively fast absorbing cream. You know, we did some testing. One of our test subjects comes to mind. She was a 71-year-old woman. She had been using some kind of lotion. I believe it was, the brand was like a Dove-oriented brand. And her exact words were, when she used the lotion she had been using, is that, you know, after a few hours, it just felt like, you know, nothing was on her skin, like she hadn't even applied the lotion. This particular cream, when she started using that, it made a really big difference in the sense that by the next day, she could tell her skin felt soft and moisturized. So not only is it fast absorbing, it's long lasting. Like it's going to last at least 24 hours or longer.
One of the things that I found fascinating is you said that not all forms of superoxide dismutase are beneficial to the skin. Can you explain that just a little further?
Yeah, absolutely. The most important and the most beneficial form of superoxide dismutase for the skin is what's known as the manganese form. And all forms of superoxide dismutase have either one of these metals. It would be manganese, iron, copper, or zinc. The manganese form is the most beneficial and has the most effect as far as being able to bind to collagen, which, as I was talking earlier about the collagen oxidation, it's the most effective form for that. The melons not only have the superoxide dismutase, but they have a lot of the bioavailable manganese. And what that does is that keeps the manganese form to be the dominant form of superoxide dismutase in this particular product. Because what happens a lot of times is if you have superoxide dismutase and then you have, say, high levels of iron from some other source, iron can get in there and hijack the manganese. And if that happens, that disrupts the ability for superoxide dismutase to do its job, which is to prevent collagen oxidation and to neutralize the really damaging free radical known as the hydroxyl free radicals. And the other forms, the zinc and the copper, they just don't have the antioxidant power that the manganese form has. And that's a really good point. I'm glad you brought that up.
Bill, once again, thanks for stopping by and bringing us up to date on the latest and the greatest from My Skin's Friend. Folks, you've heard it from the formulator's mouth. Get yourself a bottle of this Melon Fresh lotion today. Try it out. If you don't love it, we'll buy it back.